peaches and the mangoes that you could sell for me. What if the sky and the stars are for sure? The aliens are watching live from the purple matter.
The bag full, man. I wasn't trying to, but now I gotta go back to the duffel. I'm not trying to scuffle. I'm just getting in my bag, like the fries at the bottom. I don't know what you're gonna call them, but I'm gonna call them raw. Heavy is the load. It's a lot to carry, but I guess I can carry it. You like my new shoes? Or no? I ain't been on my fashion shit. Grand Theft Auto 6 got delayed. I'm back on my Rockstar shit. You know red and black my colors. You know the size is a 2X.
Alright. Papa was a rolling stone.
I'm out of ammo.
Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
Rockstar Games presents. In collaboration with Graffiti Jungle YouTube.
Grand Theft Auto
6. Non-playable character.
Chief Jahara. Fucking hoes making music videos.